Oke guys, selamat datang di channel gua Pilot Seadanya. Kali ini gua mau nerbangin di tengah siang ini, anginnya bener-bener kuat banget ini. Tapi enjoy. Sunyi banget. Ya, ini kebetulan gua lagi nungguin baterai yang belum datang-datang. Ya, sementara pakai baterai yang ada dulu aja, yang penting terbang. Oke, ini gue lagi manuver dulu karena gue lagi gendong GoPro. Dan kebetulan gendong GoPro ini apa ya, agak lumayan tricky sih menurut gue. Biasanya throttle up dikit udah terbang, ini harus di sekitar 35% baru ngangkat ini. Cuaca hari ini cerah banget, asli asik banget. Ini arah anginnya ke arah gua, dan ini dihempas angin dari samping, dan ini arah ke sana. Sip, mantap. Nanti gua kayaknya mau nyoba di roll flip deh. Roll flip ala-ala gua sih. Oke, Alhamdulillah lancar. Menurut gua sih ya. Ini ragu-ragu tadi gua karena agak jomplang tadi. Aduh, asli anginnya kenceng banget ini. Ya, gua flip roll lagi. Ini gua mau nyoba power loops ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mudah-mudahan gak ada masalah nih. Aduh, ragu-ragu gua. Masih ragu-ragu. Mudah-mudahan sih nggak apa-apa ini. Habis gue nungguin baterai lama banget, kayak ada masalah sih. Alhamdulillah gue bisa. Sayangnya ya gitu, baterainya udah mulai drop tuh. Indikator gue sih agak error ini. Tahu apanya, ISC-nya kali udah bermasalah atau apa. Terus gue setting, yang penting terbang dulu. Masa indikator gue masa 4,8 volt kan aneh. Oke. Ini gue mau landing. Jujur landing untuk 5-in agak ribet. Menurut gue susah. Asli susah banget. Tapi kalau kita berusaha terus, mudah-mudahan bisa. Ya enggak. Nah, ini gue lagi nyari posisi gue yang enak di mana landingnya. Ya, itu gue posisi gue. Dan ini gue mau turun. Ya, ragu-ragu. Aduh, karena kamera FPV gua agak dengak sih ya. Oke, sip. Alhamdulillah.
Inside of me, you better watch out. If you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick. You left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. ignoring pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill